Hi boys and girls, it is time for PE. Are you ready? I heard a yes. Okay, let's get started. All right, let's see what animal is first. And we have the giraffe. Remember, the giraffe is very tall, so we are going to make our bodies tall. Stretch up, 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 and hold it. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Let's see what animal is next. And we have, what is this? Ooh, it is the fish. Remember, put your hands together. Make your fish swim, swim. We're gonna start slow. I think I see a shark. You have to go faster. Don't let it catch you. Go, 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 go. Move your body. And we got away. All right, let's see what's next. What animal do you think is next? Ooh, it is, what is this? The butterfly. Okay, so for the butterfly, remember, put your arms out. We're gonna go up and down. We are flying like butterflies. And we're gonna go a little faster. Faster, 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 faster. And freeze. All right, let's see what's next. We have, what is this? This is the bat. Remember, we're gonna go in and out, flying like a bat with our wings. In and out, in and out, in and out. All right, let's keep flying like bats and freeze. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, what is this? It is a tiger. Is the tiger fast or slow? It is fast. We're gonna run fast like a tiger. Run, 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 run. Keep running, keep running, keep running, and freeze. And tiger again. Go, 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 and freeze. And one last time, tiger, tiger, go, 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 run, 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 and freeze. All right. Let's catch our breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, let's see what animal is next. What is this one? It is the owl. Remember, the owls move their head side to side. Gonna hold it. Then the other side, and hold it. And the other side, and hold it. One more time. And that's it for the owl. Let's see what animal we have next. Ooh, this is, what is this? It is a raccoon. Remember, the raccoon is sneaky and it goes on its tippy toes, and very, very slow. Shh. Quiet raccoon. Tippy toes, make sure you're going on your tippy toes. All right, and freeze. All right. Let's see what animal we have next. And it is, ooh, what is this? This is the flamingo. Remember, the flamingo stands on one foot. We're gonna practice balancing for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch to the other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And switch again, other foot. Oh, oops, it's okay if you can't balance. Okay, if you have someone to hold your hand, make sure you get some help. If not, it's okay. You can put your foot down and try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what is next. Last one. What is this one? That is the elephant. Remember, make your elephant trick and big stomps. Big stomps. Big stomps. I want to hear those stomps. Good job. Keep going. Stomp, stomp, and freeze. Today we are practicing rolling. I am using a ball, but remember, if you don't have a ball, it's okay. You can roll up some socks and make a ball out of your socks. I am also using, instead of bowling pins, some bottles. Whatever you find, you can use, if you have cones, you can use cones, or pins, you can use pins. I am about 5 feet away from my pins or bottles. I put some tape so that I know where my foot is gonna go. Okay, so let's start. So if you are right-handed, remember you're going to step with your left foot. You're gonna bend, bring your arm back, your ball back, and forward, and roll. Okay, let's keep going. Great job, keep going. We're gonna keep practicing. Remember, step, down, and roll. Awesome. Okay, let's put some of these up. Okay, and if you are left-handed, you are going to step with your right foot, bring it back, and roll. Oh no, I didn't get it. It's okay. Remember, just keep practicing. Okay, we're gonna practice that for about 5 minutes. Let's go. Great job. Now that you have finished practice, we are going to practice a little more. This time you can move your bottles or targets around. So look at mine. I have moved them, separated them. You can move them closer or you can make them a little further back, whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay, let's practice. Okay, let's practice that for about 5 minutes and then we will be all done for today. Great job.